Hello and welcome to our channel Digital Travels. Today we'll be sharing about a new feature added to our software, that is a sales dashboard, which will also be your company's homepage on our portal. So let's move towards the video. This is how the dashboard screen looks when you log into your account. As you log in, the dashboard screen displays the software name, your firm's name, and a bell icon which indicates alerts regarding invalid GST, pending purchases, etc. The current year is mentioned at the top to indicate the working financial year so that we don't get confused in which year we are recording the entries. As you all know that our software provides you with multiple user access options. The current user's name is displayed at the top left corner with some profile options regarding change password, change years, and sign out. Now, let's explore the menu tab, showcasing all the software features: dashboard, billing, purchase, voucher, accounts, GST and taxation, reports, alerts and reminders, master, miscellaneous master. A separate video will be made explaining all these features. Moving forward, you can click on this hamburger icon to maximize the dashboard view. Now, coming to the sales section, this shows the sales of your company until today. Right now it is 2,41,224. If you click on this eye icon, it will open the category wise sales report, which will show you different categories of sale and its balances. Like domestic sales is recorded for 6,95,952, general sales is recorded for 46,912, and so on. As per accounting terms, sales are always credited. The total of the sale is mentioned at the bottom. You can download this report in Excel format by clicking on the Excel button. This is how the report looks. It has the same format, name of the company and report is mentioned at the top. Then it shows you the category of sales, their balances, and the total balance is shown at the bottom. Coming back to the software, click on the close button and you will return to the home page. Next, coming to the receivable section, this shows the receivable amount of your company that needs to be taken by party until today. Right now it is 8,48,378. If you click on this eye icon, it will open a party wise receivable report. Like, as per report, ABC party has 45,892 debit balance. As per accounting terms, receivable amount is always debit, and if party's balance is in credit, it means that they have paid in advance. We'll either pay them back or it will get adjusted in upcoming invoices. The total of the receivable amount is mentioned at the bottom. You can download this report in Excel format by clicking the Excel button. Next, coming to the payable section, this shows the payable amount of your company that needs to be paid to suppliers until today. Right now, it is 4,52,647. If you click on this eye icon, it will open the supplier wise payable report. Like, as per report, Akbar has a credit balance of 3,13,677 and Ashutosh Sharma has a debit balance of 5,360. As per accounting terms, payable amount is always recorded as credit. And if supplier's balance is showing in debit, it means that we have paid in advance and supplier will pay us back, or it will get adjusted in our future invoices. The total of payable balance is mentioned at the bottom. You can download the report in Excel format by clicking on the Excel button. Next is cash section. This shows in hand cash balance of your company until today. Right now it is 4,32,814. If you click on this eye icon, it will open the cash report. Cash cannot be classified in different forms, and that's why this report will only have one ledger here named as cash in hand, and as per accounting terms, cash present with us is always recorded as a debit. You can download the report in Excel format by clicking on the Excel button. Next, coming to the bank section, this shows the bank balance of your company. Right now, it is 8,47,103. If you click on this eye icon, it will open the bank report which will show the balances of different bank account we own. Like as per report, Axis Bank has a debit balance of 1,56,560. As per accounting terms, bank balance is usually recorded as debit, and if it shows a credit balance, it means that it is an overdraft balance. Total of all the bank balance is mentioned at the bottom. You can download this report in Excel format by clicking on the Excel button. Now, coming to the graphical report of sales, this section shows the sales recorded in an year. We have two types of charts, bar chart and line chart. We can check the month-wise sales, like in the month of April, sales was recorded for 2,81,490. In the month of May, sales was recorded for 76,662. In June, lowest sales were recorded for 30,100, and the highest sales was recorded in the month of December for 1,55,116. Line chart also shows the month-wise sales, just it is depicted by line. When you click on an eye icon, it will show you the sector-wise sales for all the month of the year. Like, as per report, in the month of April, international sale was for 48,858. Domestic sale was 2,04,801. Hotel sale was 27,831. And the total of all the sales in April month is shown at the bottom. Similarly, sales for every month of different sector is shown in this report, and the total of all the categories and total of all the months is recorded in this report. If the sales balance is in negative for a month, it indicates that more cancellation were recorded in that month for that sale. For example, in the month of August, international sales shows a negative balance of 7,700. It means that more cancellation were recorded in the month of August. You can also download this report in Excel format by clicking on the Excel button. Coming to the outstanding section, this section shows the outstanding amount to be received from parties. Outstanding amount is grouped according to days for better understanding. Amount to be received from parties that is due for 7 days is 53,800. Amount to be received from parties which is due from 15 days is 1,67,733. Amount to be received from parties which is due from 30 days is 85,889. Amount to be received from the parties which is due from 60 days is 6,34,883. When you click on an eye icon, party-wise outstanding report opens, where the amount due from each party in the span of less than 7 days, 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, 60 days is mentioned. Like for ABC party, no bills were made in the span of 7 days, so no amount is due from less than 7 days or from 7 days. No amount is due from 15 days. No amount is due from 30 days. But 45,892 amount is due from 60 days, is due from 2 months, and we need to receive this amount. So 60 days column is an outstanding report for 2 months, the amount which is due from 2 months from different parties. 30 days column is the amount which is due from different parties from a month. 15 days column is the amount which is due from different parties from last 15 days. 7 days column is the outstanding report for 7 days, that is the amount which is due from different parties from 7 days. And similarly, less than 7 days is the amount which is due from less than 7 days from parties. These are the amounts which is due for the recent bills we have created. The total of all the days is mentioned at the bottom. You can download this report also in Excel format by clicking on the Excel button. Now, coming to the reminder section. This section shows the reminders for today and tomorrow for journey, tour start, cab and taxi booked, hotel check-in, birthday, passport expiry. As we can see, passport category has two reminders. When we click on I icon, it shows the passenger's name whose passport is going to be expired, and we can get it renewed by informing them. You can also download this report in Excel format. So this is all about the sales dashboard. We'll be adding an accounts dashboard soon. If you have any feedback regarding the sales dashboard or you want us to add an additional feature, please let us know in the comment section below. Do share this video with all your fellow travel agents. We'll meet you in next video. Thank you.